Hi friends, on this video, I'm going to be unboxing my new phone with some cases that I bought for it and trying to make my home screen aesthetic. So I bought a new phone because my 4-year-old phone wasn't working well and it has a crack. Actually, this is my first phone that I bought using my own money, so it was really valuable for me, but I had to say goodbye to my old phone and buy a new one. And for my new phone, I bought the latest OPPO model, which is the OPPO Reno 5. At first, I was planning to buy an iPhone, but since iPhone is expensive and I'm using my own money to buy for a new phone, I had to choose a less expensive phone that I could afford, so I ended up choosing OPPO Reno 5. And I'm actually happy with my decision.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from my heart.
So I chose the variant Galactic Silver because I love how unique it looks like. I love the glitter effect of it and how the color changes. It looks so amazing. A few weeks later, some cases have arrived. I ordered these cases at caseify.ph on Instagram, and as you can see on the side, they have a lot of cute and aesthetic cases for different Android phones and for the iPhones as well. So the first case that I got is this 90s baby case that has different purple and pink designs on it. Since it's a transparent case, it really shows off the color of the phone itself, which the color changes on different angles as you can see. The buttons are easy to press, which I kinda like it. The second case that I got is this rainbow TPU case. It has a glitters on it, which I find is so cute and classy. This case giving me a Macrocosmos vibe by BTS, and it is my favorite case up to this moment. After a few weeks, I received another parcel which I ordered from Mimosa Cases on Instagram. I ordered one phone case for myself as well for my mom's and Lola's phone case. So I got myself another airbag case with Starbucks prints on it. Like on my second case, I chose a transparent one to show off the color of my phone. And the power and volume buttons are easy to press as well. So these are my cases as of now. So next, I'm planning to organize and will try to turn my home screen to an aesthetic one. My color palette for my home screen are beige, brown, white, or ivory. So I chose this theme because it was the closest to my chosen palette. So I already saved some photos from Pinterest that I will be using for the photo widgets. Now we already finished the first slide. Now let's move on to the second slide. Since the first photo doesn't match the color of the theme, I'll change it to something that has the closest color to the second photo. So now we are done to the home screen. So for my lock screen, I will use this photo of J-Hope from BTS that I got from Twitter because this is my favorite photo of him as of the moment and it really matches the color of the theme. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it.